Alright, I am their teacher. Good evening, everyone. Today, we are going to be doing a singing contest. No, a singing on the stage, yeah. So, Kevin, you go first. I love it. It's so much fun. Oh, my parents didn't. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe it. I love it. Oh, he's so annoying. To do something to stop it. Did I just hear you say you were gonna pull the fire alarm? Yes. You're gonna get in so much trouble. This is 6th grade. When I was in kindergarten, I was in my kindergarten, my math teacher, his name was Mr. Jackson, and when I was in his class, when I was in kindergarten, I pulled the fire alarm, and I got in so much trouble by my parents. They grounded me almost for like 2 weeks. They said I had to go to the principal said I was going to school for on Christmas break. But I hope it snows on Christmas. Alright, your turn. The world is going to sing over us! Alright, that sounds like rock. That sounds like rock music. Once she gets back, once you get back, you can start singing. Okay. I'm glad because I can have a lot of time to think. She's gonna. Do not pull the fire alarm. Like you said. Oh.
Everybody has face cam, but
Okay. Yes, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Yes. Okay, class. This is a fire drill. Parents and teachers, please go home. So how they look alike? She has the same pants and shoes, and he has the same shirt like him and the shoes, and he's a pumpkin as well, and he has a business shirt as well. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how my parents, because parents look alike like they're chickens. To be continued.